Look. L. O. O. K. Look at the cat. Look. L. O. O. K. Look at the cat. C. S. E. E. I see a big dog. C. S. E. E. I see a big dog. Give. G. I. V. E. Give me a toy. Give. G. I. V. E. Give me a toy. Go. G. O. Let's go to the park. Go. G. O. Let's go to the park. Stop. S. T. O. P. Stop at the red light. Stop. S. T. O. P. Stop at the red light. Open. O. P. E. N. Open the door. Open. O. P. E. N. Open the door. Sleep. S. L. E. E. P. The baby is asleep. Sleep. S. L. E. E. P. The baby is asleep. Happy. H. A. P. P. Y. I feel happy today. Happy. H. A. P. P. Y. I feel happy today. Eat. E. A. T. Eat your apple. Eat. E. A. T. Eat your apple. Ride. R. I. D. E. Let's ride a bike. Ride. R. I. D. E. Let's ride a bike. Home. H. O. M. E. We go home after school. Home. H. O. M. E. We go home after school. He. H. E. He likes to play. He. H. E. He likes to play. She. S. H. E. She has a new doll. She. S. H. E. She has a new doll. Love. L. O. V. E. I love my family. Love. L. O. V. E. I love my family. Write. W. R. I. T. E. Write your name here. Write. W. R. I. T. E. Write your name here. Now, let's play a game. I'll show you a sentence, but one word is missing. Can you guess the right word? Let's try. At the cat. Choices: look, ride, or sleep. Correct answer is look. Look at the cat. Did you get it right? I. A big dog. Choices: see, stop, or eat. Correct answer is see. Well done. I see a big dog. Me a toy. Choices are give, open, or write. Which one is it? Correct answer is give. Awesome. Give me a toy. Let's. To the park. Choices are go, sleep, or love. Which one do you think makes sense? Correct answer is go. That's right. Let's go to the park. Good job. At the red light. Choices are stop, home, or he. Which is the correct one? Correct answer is stop. Great thinking. Stop at the red light. That was so much fun. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing your sight words, and I'll see you next video. Bye.